Hello team, and welcome to today's video for Microsoft Word, where I'll be sharing with you how to create multi-level lists, as well as edit and make adjustments to the lists that you create. Let's jump in. To begin, I can highlight all of my data and then select the numbering list option or the bulleted list option. For this example, I'll start with the numbered list, but you'll see that Word has placed each of these items within the same level. To select which items you'd like to go onto the second level, you can simply click anywhere within that row and press the Tab key on your keyboard, and you'll see that other numbers will adjust automatically. To perform the same action, you can click this button for Increase Indent up at the very top. Heading back, it's important to note that you don't have to do all of this one at a time. Since I know everything below number 1 is going to be on the second level, I can highlight all of those rows, press the Tab key one time, and you'll see those all have been indented. For the green items, which are the candy types underneath each subheading, I can highlight each of those rows, again press Tab, and they have been now indented to the third level. Holding down the Control key on your keyboard, you can even select multiple sets of rows in different sections. Again, press Tab, and they have been moved. Now let's talk about different ways you can customize your list. You'll notice up at the top, the number 1 follows the light blue color of the section header. If I want to change this, I can click within this row, select the drop-down for numbering, and go to Define New Number Format. In the number style section, I want to make sure I change this to the correct number format, the number 1, instead of the Roman numerals. Now I can select font, select my font color, in this case I just want black. After clicking OK, you'll see that has been updated. Another easy way to customize your multi-level list is to highlight the entire selection and then go to the multi-level list dropdown located here. Here, if I wanted to, I could change it to a different style. So if I click this option, you'll see now the list starts off with number 1, then 1.1, 1.1.1, and so on and so forth. Heading back to the original format, if I select the entire list again, I can head back to the multi-level list options and click on Define New Multi-Level List. With this dialog box, you're given a lot more flexibility for what you can change. You'll see, for example, if I click on the second level, which are letters A, B, C, and so on, you can see the number style for this level located here and make changes to it if desired. But one of the coolest things I want to be able to show you with this option, if I click back on the top level, is that opening up the number style, I can scroll to the bottom and select New Bullet. And opening this dialog box will provide me with a bunch of different options that Word has for you. But you can also open up this drop down and select New Picture. Here you can insert any picture that you'd like. It can be a photo from your PC if you have available stock images or online pictures or icons as well. If you select stock images, you can go to the Icons tab, and since this is a candy list, I can type in candy. We'll select this lollipop icon first and click Insert. And you'll see now my first level has that icon. If I select the second level down, I can do the same by heading to New Picture, and this time I'll use this icon here. Now that I've completed the step for all 3 levels, I can click OK, and you'll see my multi-level list has been updated. The final thing I'd like to show you is how to adjust the spacing between your labels and your indent indicator. For this example, I'll highlight each of the green rows, which are the candy types. You can go to the Paragraph Settings menu, and underneath the special hanging dropdown, you'll see it's currently indented by 0.25, and I can drop this down to 1. If I select OK, you'll see the words are now closer to their bullet points. Team, I hope you enjoyed these tips today. Please like and subscribe to the channel for future videos.